Don't, no, to the left of the rock. Or go to the right of the rock.
Right here?
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
It's right in between.
I see it. Ah!
Okay, you see that hill?
Yes.
You're gonna have to steady increase up the hill.
Okay.
Don't stop. You're just gonna give it steady gas all the way up. That's why you're in 4 low. There you go, steady gas.
Wow.
Don't lose traction.
Power.
Yeah.
Very good. Made it all the way up. Very good.
Just to slam into a tree branch.
Yeah, punk. Very nice.
See, this is the stuff we would have done all the time years ago.
Oh my gosh, I so wish you could have gone with us in Idaho. That was so fun.
Oh, going down. So you got to be careful of the washout on the right. Did you see that?
Yeah.
That's the kind of stuff you got to worry about.
Yeah.
How long is the lap?
Not much more. Maybe like 3/4 done.
It's because I'm driving slow.
No, you're going the right speed.
But yeah. So, you're gonna let homeboy, who's never driven an actual car before, get behind the wheel of this one?
Hey, maybe off the camera. Hey, the reason he is because I've done